Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you are all healthy and safe and well. I hope you're surviving being at home. I basically have just been eating a lot and watching a lot of TV and trying to get your online class set up. So I'm excited to actually get going with our online class and to get a little bit of structure and consistency in my day and actually start teaching you guys some math. So this video is basically just me explaining what's gonna happen during our online class. I know you guys probably have a lot of questions about stuff, so hopefully this will answer most of your questions. I'm gonna be looking at the Q4 online fact sheet. So I sent that document out, it's posted on Google Classroom as well. I'm gonna be kind of just going through that document and explaining some of this stuff so we're all on the same page. So the way class is going to be set up, please just know school is not canceled. You guys are still expected to check in every day, Monday through Friday. You're expected to do schoolwork. I am going to be teaching you new stuff. I'm still here. I'm still your teacher. You're still getting graded. All that good stuff is still happening. So every day I am going to post a little video and an assignment. So you'll have a daily video and a daily assignment. The expectation is that you are watching the video every day and you're completing the assignment every day. So the assignment might be a little quiz, it might be practice problems, it might be just notes for that day. Whatever that assignment is, you're expected to complete it. And then every Friday around 2:15, I'm gonna start going through and giving out weekly grades. So the way I give out weekly grades is basically based on participation. So you'll get a score for the week, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like you get on your other schoolwork. You can kind of think of this as your attendance, since I'm not actually marking off attendance every day, I'm not seeing you every day. The way you show me that you're participating is by watching the videos and completing the assignments every day. So for example, if you don't complete any assignments at all for that week, you're getting a 0 for that week. That would be like an F for the week. If you do 1 assignment, you get a D or a 1. If you do 2 or 3 assignments, that gets you a C, that's a 2 out of 4. If you do 4 assignments, that gets you a 3 out of 4, that would be a B. And if you do all the assignments for the week, that gets you your 4 out of 4. That's how you would earn an A for the week. And then basically at the end of the year, I'm gonna go through, and as I'm assigning course grades, like final letter grades for the whole class, I'll take into consideration like, okay, this person had all Fs every week because they weren't doing anything. That shows me basically that you just weren't coming to school. So just keep in mind that if you are skipping the videos and the assignments, it's basically just the exact same thing as skipping school. Please don't blow these off. It's important that you guys do this stuff. It's important that I can actually prove that you're making progress in my class when I go to give you a letter grade at the end. So just be paying attention to the assignments for the day and get everything done by Friday at 2:15. I would really not recommend waiting until Friday to try to do all 5 videos and all 5 assignments. That's gonna be rough for you. So just make sure you're paying attention to that. Set aside some time every day for yourself to work on schoolwork. Yeah. I don't know exactly what's happening with formatives and summatives right now. That's something that administration is gonna have to decide. How do we give tests? So I will let you know what we determine with that at a little bit later date. But basically my expectation, like I said, is just that I need to be able to prove that you're making progress in my class. So there are a few different ways you can do this. Three big things I'm looking for. The first one is, are you completing the daily videos and assignments? So basically, like I said, this just proves to me that you're showing up, you're coming to class, right? You are doing what you're supposed to be doing, you're participating. Those are all gonna be, the daily assignments are gonna be like either you did it or you didn't. I'm not necessarily always looking for accuracy in those. If you tried it with honest effort, you're gonna get the credit for that. I just need to see that you're showing up and that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. The second part of this though is the accuracy thing. I need to be able to prove that you understand the material that I'm teaching you. So this would be formatives, summatives, looking through your assignments. If you're just typing in, x equals 1, x equals 1, x equals 1, x equals 1, just to get it done, obviously that's not proving to me that you understand the material. So it's also going to be important that you work for accuracy as best you can. And then the last part of this is just asking questions when you have them, communicating with me, showing up to office hours if you need them, responding to emails, filling out surveys when I send them. That all proves to me that you care. So 3 components, daily videos and assignments, that proves to me that you're showing up and participating. Accuracy proves to me that you understand what we're doing. And then asking questions, attending office hours, communicating, responding to emails, that all proves to me that you care. So those are going to be the 3 big things that I'm looking for in combination with your weekly grades. So that's going to be kind of how, for now, we're working on grading stuff. So those are my expectations for you. Do the daily videos and assignments, do them accurately as best you can, and then communicate with me. So, timeline. I don't know how long we're going to be online. There is not a return to school date yet. As soon as I hear of a set confirmed date, I will let you guys know. But let's just assume the worst and plan as if we're going to have to finish out the entire school year online. That's a very real possibility. I don't know for sure. But it is a very real possibility. So for now, let's just go ahead and prepare as if we're going to complete the whole school year online. If we get to go back, great. We have about 8.5 weeks until our summer break starts. So our last day of school technically is May 30th. So in the next 8.5-ish weeks, we're going to be going through Unit 4, which is radical functions. Unit 5, which is rational functions, and then we will do one big final review over everything from the semester, so units 1 through 5. Technically, we do have a cumulative final in this class. I have no idea what's happening with finals. We've got some time before then, so I'll keep you guys posted on that, but we will do one big review of everything we've learned all semester. So kind of 3 sections that we're going to be working on in the next 8-ish weeks or so. If you need help or you want to chat or whatever, I'm going to host office hours each week. So basically this is like the equivalent of coming to my room during lunch, or coming to my room after school, or setting up, coming before school or something and getting help. So it's kind of like tutoring hours, office hours. These are going to be done through Google Hangouts. You are not required to attend the Google Hangout meetings. If you would like to, we'd love to have you, but you're absolutely not required to come to these office hours. So if you have questions, if you need tutoring, if you want to work one-on-one with me on something, this would be a good time to pop in. So I'm going to host, they're going to be about an hour long. So on Wednesday, planning right now from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, Wednesday afternoon, and then Friday mornings from 9 to 10 a.m. So during that hour, you can pop in anytime. I will send out an invitation to everyone. You do not have to join, but if you want to, during that hour, I will be on Google Hangouts. We can video chat, we can go over whatever you need. You can stop by and, I don't know, maybe see some of your friends or something. So we'll plan on that. We'll try to have our first one this Wednesday, so tomorrow, April 1st. We'll go 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock tomorrow. I'll send an invite for you. If you want to join, that would be awesome. If not, that's fine too. I don't know what will happen if nobody shows up, that's fine. If those times don't work for you, or if you would rather have like a one-on-one meeting, or you would like to do like small group work. So if there's like 3 people in class that you usually work with, we could like schedule a little meeting for the 4 of you guys, and you could work with the other 3 people, and I could just be there to help just in case. So we could do small group work as well. Just schedule an appointment with me. I'm not really doing anything. else during the school day besides just checking over your guys' work and making videos and stuff. So if you need to schedule another appointment, we can do that too. But please use your resources. I'm here for you guys. We can video chat, we can work together. Don't feel like you have to try to figure out all of this stuff on your own, because I'm still here to help you. Okay, so Google Hangouts would be kind of office hours. Other resources for you guys, just a couple of quick things. Again, if you need breakfast or lunch, the school is serving breakfast and lunch at the school. There's a few other locations on the west side that are serving meals as well. There's a link on the fact sheet for that. There are also some apps that I would consider downloading to your phone. Definitely get the Gmail app. If you're not getting your email like notifications on your phone, that's a problem. The only way I am able to communicate with you really is through email. The school is sending out a ton of information through email. So if you're not checking your email at least once a day, that's going to turn into a huge problem. So please make sure you are getting email notifications on your phone. Google Classroom also has an app. So we're going to be doing everything on Google Classroom. The app just gives you really quick, easy, fast access to our Google Classroom page. So definitely recommend downloading that one. Google Hangout has an app, so quick access to the video chats, the office hours. You can also like IM people on Google Hangout during school hours, so like 8 to 2:15, that's available for you guys. And then Desmos. So Desmos is a graphing calculator. We'll definitely use that a little bit later on in Unit 5, but it's a really good free tool for you guys to have too, and they also have an app, so that's Desmos. And then there's a website as well, so desmos.com also has the graphing calculator stuff too. Last but not least, there's my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting lots of videos on that, so just be paying attention, all that stuff. But Google Classroom is gonna be the big one. Everything's going there, so just make sure you're checking that, checking your emails. Last couple of things, you must check your email. I just gotta say that again, you have to check your emails. And then the other big thing, so administration right now is trying to round up people who are doing what they're supposed to be doing and people that we can get a hold of and people who are not, people who are like ghosting their teachers. Do not ghost me this week, especially. Your daily assignment for today is to complete the quiz on Google Classroom. So Google Classroom has your daily assignment is the quiz. If you do not complete this quiz today, if I haven't heard from you, so I sent out a survey last week. If you filled out the survey, awesome. Go ahead and fill this one out again. But basically the people that I don't hear from, if you're not responding to emails, if you're not filling out surveys, if you're not doing the daily assignments this week, your name goes on a list. The list goes to administration, so that's Mats and Mr. Croce. They're gonna start following up with people who are MIA. So don't ghost me, don't skip this stuff. Otherwise your name's gonna go on a list that's gonna go to administration and they're gonna start following up. So this week especially, it's important that we hear from you. Once we kind of get everybody on the same page, once we get everything like set up and good to go, I don't want to leave anybody behind. So we'll get going as soon as we possibly can. We'll start math review stuff tomorrow. But for now, this is going to be your setup. The daily video, daily assignment, just make sure everything is turned in and completed by 2:15 on Friday afternoons. Respond to emails, please. If I send you a survey, you need to fill it out. If I post an assignment, you need to do it. Again, that stuff is proving to me that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, and that's how I give you a good passing grade at the end of this year. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. We'll have a little Google Hangout tomorrow at 1 o'clock, so hope to see you there. That would be fun. Otherwise, make sure you get the assignment done for today, the quiz on Google Classroom, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. All right, good luck. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.